Experiencing charging problems with your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Many users face issues with both wireless charging and USB port connections. These problems stem from compatibility mismatches between Apple's charging technology, like MagSafe and USB-C, and Tesla's integrated systems. Wireless charging issues occur because Tesla's built-in Qi charger lacks the magnetic ring for proper MagSafe alignment. This causes misalignment, reducing charging efficiency, and sometimes preventing charging altogether. USB port problems happen in older Tesla Model 3s with USB-A ports, which limit charging speed compared to the iPhone 16's USB-C capabilities. Users need adapters, but this still caps charging at lower power levels. These compatibility mismatches between Apple's advanced charging technologies and Tesla's systems create frustrating experiences for many iPhone 16 users in Model 3 vehicles. The Tesla Model 3 is equipped with a built-in Qi wireless charging pad located in the center console. The iPhone 16 series supports both standard Qi wireless charging and Apple's proprietary MagSafe technology, which provides faster charging with magnetic alignment. However, Tesla's charging pad does not include the magnetic alignment ring that MagSafe uses to snap the phone into the optimal charging position. Wireless charging relies on electromagnetic induction, where coils create a magnetic field to transfer energy. However, Tesla's pad operates at 100 to 200 kHz, which can cause frequency mismatches with the iPhone 16, leading to reduced efficiency or complete charging failure. The iPhone 16 features a USB-C port that supports up to 27-watt fast charging, enabling quick power delivery for the device. Older Tesla Model 3 vehicles built before 2023 are equipped with USB-A ports that can only deliver a maximum of 12 watts, significantly less than what the iPhone 16 can handle. To connect the iPhone 16 to these older Model 3 vehicles, a USB-C to USB-A adapter is required. Unfortunately, using this adapter further limits the charging speed to just 12 watts, matching the USB-A port's maximum capability. Additionally, Tesla's USB ports do not fully support Apple's advanced dynamic power needs, such as sophisticated voltage negotiation protocols. This incompatibility can lead to inconsistent charging performance, even when using the necessary adapter. Tesla's firmware v2025.12, released in December 2025, enhances the wireless charging module in Model 3 vehicles to better support Qi 2 and MagSafe standards. This update increases power output to 15 watts for compatible devices, addressing the previous limitations in Tesla's non-magnetic pad design. Apple's iOS 18.5, released in November 2025, includes optimizations for wireless charging in vehicles. It improves power negotiation to detect and adapt to Tesla's 15-watt Qi charger, reducing intermittent drops, especially during motion or regenerative braking. To ensure improved compatibility, update both your Tesla vehicle and iPhone to the latest software versions. After Tesla's firmware update, the charging failure rate dropped by 40%, according to Tesla's internal metrics. First, ensure your iPhone is centered on the charging pad. Proper alignment is crucial for wireless charging to work effectively in the Tesla Model 3. Remove any phone case that might interfere with wireless charging. Thick or magnetic cases can block the charging signal between the iPhone and the Tesla's Qi pad. Clean both the Tesla's charging pad and the back of your iPhone. Dust, debris, or residue can prevent proper contact and reduce charging efficiency. Use a soft cloth for gentle cleaning. Restart both your iPhone and the Tesla's infotainment system. This can resolve temporary software glitches that might be preventing wireless charging from working properly. If the problem persists after trying these steps, the Tesla's Qi charging coil may be faulty and require replacement. Contact Tesla's service for diagnosis and repair under warranty. For newer Tesla Model 3s with USB-C ports, use a certified USB-C to USB-C cable for direct connection. This ensures optimal charging speeds up to 27 watts for your iPhone 16. For older Tesla Model 3s with USB-A ports, use a high-quality USB-C to USB-A adapter from Apple. This allows connection but limits charging to 12 watts due to port limitations. Ensure both the adapter and cable are securely connected to prevent loose contacts that can interrupt charging or cause damage. Try different USB ports in your Tesla Model 3. Some ports may be faulty or provide better power delivery than others. If a USB port is faulty, it may need replacement by Tesla service. Contact Tesla support for diagnostics and repair. Tesla is expected to upgrade all Model 3 USB ports to USB-C by 2026, eliminating adapter issues. Key 2 upgrades, which are MagSafe compatible, are also planned for future Tesla models. Apple might expand MagSafe to non-Pro iPhones, further improving wireless alignment. These trends suggest improved charging compatibility in the future. User adoption of wired USB-C has risen 50% in 2025, reducing reliance on wireless. Experts believe true compatibility requires collaboration and licensing between Apple and Tesla. The transition to USB-C is inevitable, but Tesla needs to improve power delivery specifications. If troubleshooting steps don't work, contact Tesla or Apple support for further diagnostics and potential hardware repairs.